Let me show you the difference between a C300 and a C43. Now, right off the jump, there's a $14,000 difference, but there's quite a bit that you get on the C43 besides the performance. First, I want to show you the regular C300, where you can see that the grille and the bumper are different and don't have the AMG package, which let me show you the AMG package now, which is a $3,000 option, and you can add that to the C300. So not only does it change the front of the car, but it also adds a body kit spoiler. You can see it in the ground effects, and also the rear bumper adds a sportier rear wind diffuser as well. And then you have the dual exhaust. Let me show you what the standard one looks like back to back. The standard one does have a sleeker look, while the AMG here has the sportier rear bumper with the wind diffuser. And then let me just walk around it. Again, you can see this one's equipped with the night package. It does have the upgraded AMG wheels. Now let's take a look at the C43, and this one does have the AMG vertical slat grills. You see it's got the intercoolers down on the lower bumper area of the car. I'm gonna try to highlight it right now. It's in this section here, and that is designed to keep the car cooler, especially during spirited driving. This one does have the bigger brake rotors and calipers on the car, part of the AMG. Obviously, with the biggest difference is you do have the AMG engine on this one, which is handcrafted. It produces quite a bit more horsepower on it. And here I'm going to try to capture, I'm just trying to talk about the exterior of the car. It does have slightly wider fenders, you know, for the wider tires on the car, which again provides a more aggressive stance. Here you can see the quad exhaust on the car, and again the functional wind diffusers on the car. You do have quite a bit horsepower difference on the C43. It's a 416 horsepower engine, 369 pounds of torque, versus the standard C300, which is 255 horsepower, 295 pounds of torque. Inside the car, this one is the AMG appearance package. Again, you got that flat bottom steering wheel. You also do have the leather looking stitching on the door panel as well. I want to just kind of highlight that real quick. It is an upgrade over the standard C300, and again, this one does have the metal weave interior with the black interior seats as well. Now, this is the AMG C43. The AMG C43 has the dial here where you could actually change the mode to sport mode. Here, you could actually hear the difference on the car. And then, again, same leather upgraded materials on the door, which provided an upscale look. And then this one does have the metal weave design. And then this one does have the black AMG leather, which is an upgrade on this one. Again, just to give a quick rundown on it, you do get an upgraded grille, front bumper, rear bumper, side skirts, and body kit, wider fenders, interior cabin features that are standard on C43, while upgrades with the C300, upgraded steering wheel, and the seats are upgraded. Engine, transmission, upgraded drivetrain, updated suspension, and brakes. So the price difference starts at about $14,000. But when you add some of the package, like the AMG package and then the 4MATIC, then the price difference is about $9,000, and that's for many of the performance aspects of the vehicle. So what do you think? Is the C43 worth the upgrade, the power upgrade, and the value that you get on it? Let me know your thoughts.